Introduction to Python Variables. Hello and welcome to MDIGITALEDU. I'm Hasaranga. Today we're learning about Python variables. A variable in Python is like a container that holds data. It can store numbers, text, or complex data structures. For example, to store the number 10, you write x equals sign 10. Here, x is the variable holding the value 10. If you write name equals sign John, Python knows name is a string. You can change the value of a variable anytime. If x equals sign 10 and you later set x equals sign 20, now x holds 20. Python figures out the type for you. Variables are essential for dynamic and flexible code. That's it for Python variables. Like, share, and subscribe to MDIGITALEDU for more. See you in the next one.